Hey guys, my name is Joe. I'm with First on Top SEO. We're a SEO and digital marketing agency. And I saw your uh, business as I was driving down Castell Street the other day. And so I decided I would look up your website, see if maybe I could give you a couple of tips to improve your Google ranking in order to gain more customers. Because statistics show that 85% of anyone who is looking for a specific type of service or anything having to do with Google or the internet, they only use the first page that pops up of any business on the Google search engine. And so 85% is quite a bit of people that are uh, using just the first page. And so I found you on the second page, halfway down, and that's not bad or anything. But between the second and first page, uh, according to business, is like day and night. You get so much more business being on the first page of the Google search engine. And so the first tip I wanted to share with you is what Google calls the metadata. And the metadata is simply a smidget of information that's on the outside of every website before you click onto it. And as you can see here, the little blue uh, smidgets of information, that's what Google calls the metadata. And so your metadata for your website is FUA window coverings, and I went ahead and put it in this tool right here, and it checks what the title of that metadata is. And so yours is FUA window coverings, which is the name of your business. And what we've seen to get Google's attention the most and ranking a website is if you, instead of putting just the business name, you put the city that you're ranking for or trying to rank in. So New Braunfels window coverings would be the best way to get Google's attention to know where to categorize your website and where you want to rank and what type of business you do. So in order to improve your ranking, just simply putting where you have your business name, put New Braunfels window coverings, and then put the business name afterwards. And so that's the first thing I wanted to share with you. Not only that, I wanted to share with you also what the your competitor has that's on the first part or first spot on the Google search engine, and that's custom window coverings. And what's interesting about that is that their New Braunfels isn't even in the metadata, which they're trying to rank for Northeast San Antonio, Texas. So they have several other factors working on their part in order to rank higher for the New Braunfels area. And so I went ahead and took their website and put it also in this tool to see what their metadata was. And so as we look, it simply says the same thing. Custom window coverings, budget blinds of Northeast San Antonio. So if you would go in and just simply put these, simply change the way your metadata is into New Braunfels window coverings, it would greatly increase your ranking just by doing that. And the second one is similar, but it goes on the inside of your website, and which is called the first header. And the first header is usually what comes up right here in this area where family owned and all these different things are going through. And so I went ahead and used this other tool to show what your header is, and it simply gave us an error that you do not have, or your website does not contain a H1 or a header 1, which headings help indicate the important topics of your page to search engines. So once again, Google sees this as knowing what type of city you're trying to rank in and what type of business you do. So just like the metadata, you would want to mimic that with the H1 header. So when you put the H1 header for your website, you would want to put New Braunfels window coverings and then you can add the name of your business afterwards. And this is going to show Google, if both of them are the exact same, that this is what they want to, this is the city that they want to rank for and what type of business they do. And so they know exactly where to put you. And this will get you higher in the Google search engine and ranking on page one. But there's also many other factors that also go along with ranking your website to the first page. These are just a couple of things I wanted to share with you. And first of all, most major ones, to when you're first starting off a website, to have these things, the metadata and the H1 header matching. Uh, if you have anyone that does this on hand, uh, feel free to let them know about that so you can improve your rankings and get more customers calling your phone and using your services. If you don't, we'll be happy to help you out and doing these short or minor adjustments and getting your website ranking a little higher. Maybe you'd like to do a full SEO campaign. It's all up to you. I just wanted to share this information with you to get you more customers calling your phone. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, just reply to this email. Thank you.